Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. In today's lesson we are going to cover latex lists. So there are basically two kinds of lists, ordered and unordered lists, or in language of latex, enumerating lists and itemizing lists. So in order to create lists, you would have to use code begin enumerate for enumerating list or ordered list, or begin itemize for unordered list, and you are going to provide items after item tag. So we are going to type some text in here. I'm going to do exact the same with this itemizing list, and I'm going to save this. Let us see what we have. So first list we have in here is enumerating list, and second one is itemizing or unordered list. And you could easily embed one list into another. So if you want to embed some unordered list after this hey element, you have to go in new line, just remove this item tag and go with begin itemize. So I'm going to type 1, 2 and 3 items, and after this high element of itemized list I'm going to start begin enumerate 1, 2. If I save this, you see, after second element of this enumerating list we have one unordered list, and after high element of unordered list we have another enumerating list. And now I want to show you how to deal with these bullets. So you could actually provide optional command with $2 and some sign in between that is going to serve you as bullet. So I'm going to provide dash, so $, dash, and once again $, and dash in the middle. Save this, and you see instead of this dot we have a dash. And not only that, you could use some custom symbol like this, or maybe a letter, or maybe some Roman number, something like this, and dot at the end. Completely doesn't matter, whatever you like. Save it, and you see we have this custom symbol in front of 1, a with dot in front of 2, and a Roman number 4 in front of third element. And actually you could go further with this, and for that we are going to need one additional package. Let me show you. Use package and enum item, like this. And now for enumerating list we could provide option, and that option is going to be label equals open brackets, and in between brackets we are going to type command. So command could be Roman and asterisk, or could be alpha, or could be Arabic. So let's go with Arabic first. If I save this, you see, instead of regular numbers we are going to have these numbers within brackets. And what if we go with alpha? So it's not actually alpha, it's ALPH. If I save this, you see we have brackets and letters within. And we could go with Roman. As you guess, it's Roman numbers about. Okay, we have no Roman numbers in here. And I want to show you one more trick, and for that we are going to need another package. So we are going to use package pyfont. Python package holds many different kinds of bullets that we could use for our unordered list. And let us test this package in here with our unordered list. So in order to use this package, we are going to provide option, and option is going to contain command ding and open squiggly brackets, and in between squiggly brackets you are going to provide number in between 40 and 254, I believe. So let's go with let's say 57. I'm going to show you in a minute what I'm doing. So ding and 57 and another element, ding 57. Okay, take a look at these bullets now. We are going to change that. And now we have different bullet in front of every single element. And we could actually combine different bullets. Let's say that I'm going to stay with 57 for our first element, and second is going to be 58 and 59. I'm going to save this and see we have different kind of bullets for these two elements. So what is all about these numbers 58, 59? So as I said, Python contains many different kinds of bullets, and those bullets are enumerated. It would be better if you check documents online, but that list of bullets is from number 40, I believe, up to 252, 53. So in this way we are going to use some of these bullets from our list. So with command ding and with squiggly brackets you are going to provide order number for that bullet. So guys, this is all about lists. So thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.